Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Billet aluminum front fender intake mesh kit for Polaris 2025 plus RZR Pro XP, Pro S, and Pro R. Install time for this item is around 15 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project, so gather the tools and let's get started. Step 1. Drill mounting holes. Start by aligning the fender mesh on the vehicle, making sure it sits correctly. Once it's aligned, use a 3/32 drill bit to drill the 2 mounting holes. Step 2. Attach the intake fender mesh with hardware. Begin by threading the provided bolts through the mesh and into the fender. Once both bolts are in place, reach under the fender and hand thread a lock nut onto each bolt. Fasten the hardware securely using a drill with a 2.5mm hex bit and a drive ratchet with an 8mm socket. Once one side is securely attached, you can proceed to repeat the same steps for the other side. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the dirt with DRT.